He was an old man who fished alone in a skiff in the Gulf Stream, and he had gone 84 days now without taking a fish.
Ooh, Ernest, what are you reading?
I'm actually reading a book by myself called The Old Man and the Sea.
Wow, you are such an amazing writer. As an homage for you, I'm going to make a cocktail called Hemingway with a Japanese twist.
Wow, that sounds amazing.
Let's do it!
Melissa, you might know about a daiquiri I had while I was in Cuba. It had rum, lime juice, and grapefruit juice.
Ernest, have you been to Japan?
I've never been to Japan.
Have you ever had Yuzu juice?
I can't say I have.
So why don't I make this daiquiri with some Yuzu juice? Let's see how it tastes like. Okay.
That sounds really good.
Okay, let me show you how to do it. It's actually quite simple. You start with, getting some ice. And then let's get 3/4 ounce of rum. And then 1/2 ounce of grapefruit juice. And then 1/2 ounce of yuzu juice, and also 1/2 ounce of maraschino liquor. Yes. Now get this here. Ooh, beautiful. So Ernest, to finish this drink, it's quite simple. We just need to open it, take a strainer.
That's good.
Ooh, look at that. And I don't know if you have been to New York, but I found an amazing spice shop called La Boite. They have this spice called Mishmish. It's a blend of, some honey, lemon, and saffron. I think it will
spice things up.
Yeah, spice things up a little bit. So I'm just going to garnish with the lime wheel and a little bit spice on top.
That looks fantastic.
Beautiful. Ernest, welcome to Japan. That's cheers. Kanpai.
Now this is the drink I remember from Cuba. Cheers.
Kanpai.
Thank you so much.
Wow.
Wonderful.
This is so delicious.
I didn't get any on my beard. See?
Yeah. You're welcome. My pleasure.
I have to have some more.
Always. So remember to try this recipe. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you for choosing Beautifully, where memories are made.